What's up, guys? It's Sean, or Mustang09, bringing you a new video, and today is going to be another short video. It's going to be a request from a lot of you guys. I've been asked more than a handful of times if my truck, my 2017 F250, that is leveled with a ready lift 2.5-inch leveling kit, and it's on 37's, if that will fit in a standard size garage. Just from this angle, I don't know that it's happening, but we have the handy dandy measuring tape. We're going to do some quick measurements, and that will let us know if it's even going to work out before we even try to stuff this huge thing in there. And I asked my wife to move her car, so take some quick measurements, get back to you. So I hired my lovely assistant, my wife Courtney. You want to turn around and say hi? So what we're going to do is we're going to measure the garage, and if you can tell down here, I have a couple of step ups. So go ahead and point down there. So it comes up and up again, and that's because when we built the house, my dad thought that would be easier for my car to get in because my Mustang's lowered. It didn't help any. It was a good thought, but I ended up getting bags anyways. That's how I sold it to my wife, that I needed airbags, was to get into the garage. So if you come on this side, you'll see to the top of the garage is about 84 inches, and that's to the very top. So if you go to this little piece here, this little flap, it's about 83 inches. So now it's time to measure the truck and get a good idea if it'll fit at all. And if it's a little under, then maybe we'll try. But if it's close to the same height, then it ain't working. So it's kind of tough to get a measurement of the truck on how tall it is because of the step here. If you'll watch when I do it, it kind of bends over. So it's not the most accurate measurement because it's so far away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this scrap piece of wood, and nobody yell at me. It's not going to hurt the top of the truck. I'm just going to set it up here, and that way, whoa, don't fall. That way, I can measure from the ground straight up and get a good idea. The one thing we're not accounting for, I don't know if you can put at the top of the truck, is the satellite radio signal thing. That's probably another inch on top of it. So we'll go ahead and get a measurement here. And you want to come closer? 83.5, and the wood's kind of got a little slant coming downwards, so it's probably 84 inches tall. It's a good 84 inches tall, especially if you're counting that satellite little nipple thing on the top there. So unfortunately, this truck is not going to fit in a standard garage, but you guys wanted the test, so I brought it to you. I'm not even going to attempt it because from the measurements don't lie. I do not think this truck will fit in this garage. So there you have it, guys. Well, guys, it looks like the beast is too beastly to fit into the garage. Unfortunately, with the measurements, I think the truck's about an inch too tall to even fit into the standard sized opening of my garage. Now, my garage is a wide garage, so it's oversized in the width, but on the height, it's standard size. So it's not gonna work. Truck's about 83, 84 inches. It's kind of hard to tell with the way the roof slopes, and I had that stick up there, but the opening on the garage is the same. So not happening. Not happening at all. But I always thought I had a big garage, because if you can tell, it is a 3-car garage. It's 2 tandem, so 2 in the back, 1 in the front. Unfortunately, the next house I'm gonna have to build bigger garage, make it taller so the beast can fit inside. I want to keep it away from storms and stuff, you know. We've had some really bad weather here with the winter coming in Texas and chances of hail, and every time that happens, I take it to my workshop down the road. Not my workshop, my work office, and they have a big bay door, and this thing will tuck away in there just fine. So if you guys want to see any more tests, leave those down in the comments below. If you like this video, make sure to give your boy a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm this close to 10,000 subs. It's been a goal of mine for a really long time, so I'd really appreciate your support in hitting that 10,000 sub goal. Other than that, that's all I got. So if you got any recommendations for future videos, leave that down below, and I'll see you boys next time. Take it easy.